If you're experiencing FPS drops in EAFC 25, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow this guide to help enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum and recommended system requirements for EAFC 25. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers. Keeping your drivers updated can significantly improve game performance. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Launch EAFC 25 and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadows to reduce the load on your system. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources and help improve FPS. Step 5. Optimize power settings. Go to your computer's power settings and select the high performance option. This will ensure your system is using maximum power for gaming, which can help reduce FPS drops. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in your gaming performance in EAFC 25. Enjoy your game.